In Fragment City's outer nodes, neon purple data phantoms slithered across cracked screens, spitting syndicate AI overviews, no clicks needed. Cyan Nexus streams pulsed through red-purple storms, casting faint glows on Omar Vex teal and silver VexPulse logo, fading on a crumbling billboard. His agency was dying, 3 clients lost, visibility strangled by the algorithm syndicate's zero-click searches. Red-circuited tendrils of their fractali tightened, a profit-driven conspiracy crushing dreams. Yet, the search box eliminator SBE 6 future tech professionals united by mission rose. Auden Vale's emerald HUD lenses flared, overriding autocomplete to purge phantoms, while Leon Armstrong, Naira Quell, Kessa Thorne, Dex Rune, and Juno Ricks wielded exclusive SBE technology local service ads, search box optimization, autocomplete restoring Omar's clicks and transforming businesses for ongoing success. Chapter 1: Shadows of the Search Weave. In his teal-lit client world, Omar Vex stood on a fractured platform in Fragment City's outer nodes, a neon-lit wasteland where crumbling billboards flickered with red-purple debris swirling in Cyan Nexus streams. Search bars glowed like sacred relics, their light dimmed by neon-purple data phantoms weaving AI overviews that stole clicks. His teal suit, a mark of his reality before the search weave's grip, caught faint stream glows. At 32, his sharp features and close-cropped beard framed a fierce yet faltering gaze. His fists clenched as VexPulse teal and silver logo his agency's soul faded on a towering billboard, buried by phantoms. The search weave, a digital realm where keywords held power and algorithms shaped reality, was choking his digital marketing agency. The algorithm syndicate's zero-click searches rendered campaigns invisible, bleeding clients. Red-circuited tendrils of their fractali tightened, a profit-driven conspiracy crushing dreams. Yet, the search box eliminator SBE 6 future tech professionals united by mission emerged. Auden Vale's emerald HUD lenses flared, overriding autocomplete to purge phantoms, while Leon Armstrong, Naira Quell, Kessa Thorne, Dex Rune, and Juno Ricks wielded exclusive technology local service ads, search box optimization, autocomplete restoring VexPulse visibility and forging success for businesses everywhere.